Hey, how's it going? Here we have a quick tip on doing rear brakes on a BMW or um, other models are similar, but with electronic parking brake. What makes these a little bit harder to do on the rear and kind of unique is that they have an electronic parking brake, meaning that they have a motor here that sits on the caliper. And this is what actuates your parking brake on and off. And so the issue that you run into is when you go to put the new pads in, you can't push the piston far enough into the caliper due to the parking brake. So what you have to do is, there's two Torx bolts that hold this motor on. They're two T30s. So with that, you can take the two T30 bolts right out of here. There'll be a bracket that goes over it as well, just like this here. So you'll just take the motor off. Once you get the two bolts out, just wiggle the motor a little bit and it'll pop right off. And then I took a Torx bit. This is a T45. And what you're going to do is rotate it clockwise. If you're looking at the face of it, you're going to be rotating it clockwise. And you're just going to keep rotating it all the way until it stops. Eventually it will stop rotating and you can take the bit out. From there, you'll be able to use a standard brake caliper spreader or C-clamp, something similar, and that will allow you to push the piston all the way back. Once you go to reassemble it, all you have to do is put your motor back on to the caliper, put your two Torx bits back in, put everything back together, make sure it's plugged in. And when you go to use the parking brake the first time, the car will actually calibrate itself. It will go out and measure the distance that it needs to go to make contact. So there's really no calibration. It'll do it all itself, and you should be good to go. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out.